फेस रीडिंग, ये कॉन्सेप्ट हम सब सुने हैं। तो अभी फेस रीडिंग रियली क्या है, इस पर बात करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ नितेश मौजूद है। नितेश नमस्कार।
नमस्ते मैम।
ये फेस रीडिंग होता क्या है, क्या वो आम आदमी कर सकते हैं और इसे कैसे किया जाता है?
So first of all, thank you for having me here. So face is a mixture of your genetical influence जो आप inherit करते हैं from your parents. First is that component, then your environmental influence, meaning आपके साथ कौन लोग रहते हैं, आप कौन सा emotions experience करते हैं during your lifetime, right? All those emotions मार्क ऑन योर फेस, द फीलिंग्स दैट यू गो थ्रू, जो भी आपको एक्सपीरियंसेस अपने लाइफ में होते हैं उसके बेसिस पे आपका फेस शेप होता है, which means face is a mixture of your genetical structure. The second is your environmental influence. The third is the markings on your face that is basically known as wrinkles or lines on the face. And जो भी आप emotions को experience करते हो, there are certain reactions that we make. Let's say if somebody is pretty angry, तो वो बहुत गुस्से में रहेगा, तो उसके फेस पे बहुत सारे मार्किंग्स बनेंगे। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल if I'm angry and I'm making my face like this, तो lines बनेगा, right? तो जो आप emotions
करेक्ट।
experience करते हो and when it gets repeated over a period of time, तभी आपके फेस पे लाइंस बनता है। तभी आप देखोगे किसी के मोस्ट कॉमनली जो लाइंस बनता है वो ये वाले रीजन पे बनता है, बिटवीन द आईब्रोज, like two lines you can see here, or a suspended dagger. In face reading there is a suspended needle also, suspended dagger also, that forms in between this particular face. So the point is that face is a mixture of your genetical influence plus your environmental influence plus your markings that occurs आपने जैसा life experience किया है। In face reading ये बोलते हैं कि the power lies in the now, and it is not what happened to you but how you felt about it is what marks your face. इसीलिए आप ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि twins are even not alike, right? When they
या
are especially when they are growing over the years, तो twins के faces भी separate होते हैं, and they get separated by yin and yang forces. So one side is more yin, that is the more female aspects, or you'll see more of emotional nature in a particular person. The other side is yang, which is more of a mountain features, which means more of a bossy or ambitious type. So twins, maybe there is a separation. So usme, because they experience a different set of lifestyles in their life, and आप बाद में ऑब्जर्व करोगे, स्पेशली व्हेन दे आर ग्रोइंग अप, चाइल्डहुड में दे आर प्रीटी मच द सेम, उनका फेस थोड़ा थोड़ा सेम रहेगा। When they are beyond 20-25 years, their life choices are different, their lifestyles are different, and when those lifestyles are different over the number of years, there are separate markings on the face that develops. There are certain emotions that you experience that are different from each other, इसीलिए आपका face भी
या
different shape होता है। तो face reading is nothing but reading all those emotions on your face. It's like each traits on the face is like a separate story in itself। आपका forehead tells a different thing, आपका eyebrows tells about your aggression, your assertiveness, your dominance, आपका eyes tell about how you are expressing yourself to the inner world, आपका nose
या
tells more about your work style, your maybe because nose is related to the metal aspect. So in face reading, uh, there are 5 elements, especially if I am talking about the aspect of Chinese face reading, उसमें 5 elements होते हैं। The first element is water element. Water element is by the very fact of it, जो आप name से assemble कर पाओ, it's water. So ancient Chinese have observed कि life moves in a flow, in a circle. The first, and they have classified it into seasons, into the human life cycle as well. So, firstly, water is the energy of pre-birth, right? It's the baby in
करेक्ट।
the utero. So, water is the first step. It's the first element that they have classified the energies and personalities into. सो आप वाटर, अगर किसी के फेस पे वाटर आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना है तो देयर आर सर्टेन सेट ऑफ ट्रेट्स जो आपके फेस में होंगे टू exemplify कि ये person में water traits are more dominant. Similarly, there are wood elements trait, there are fire elements trait, there are earth element traits, and there are metal element traits. Over the course of this podcast, I'm definitely going to share as to what are those elements and how you can spot them on the face and how it can be beneficial to the viewers. And just by knowing the strength of your face, you can know the strength that you are born with. You can know the gifts that you are born with, and thereby आप उसको और क्लासिफाई कर सकते हो as to even maybe which career suits you. Even आपका जो पार्टनर है वो पार्टनर के साथ certain things like most of my client sessions happen on a relationship reading जिसमें उनके पार्टनर्स में जो भी टसल होता है they want to like certain times they want to change other partners. बोलते हैं कि why my partner is not changing, but the thing is कि वो एक primary element के साथ born हुए हैं. And if you understand them better, if you understand their element better, if you understand where they are coming from, तो आपका और awareness हो जाता है as to why they are behaving a certain way, right? So it can help you improve in relationships. Even understanding your children better. Isme bhi face reading is pretty helpful. So it's like your face is a hologram of all the experiences that you have experienced in your lifetime, and thereby how you can manifest the best version of yourself by knowing more about yourself. So that is
Yeah, so
very,
is the face reading of a child done?
see, the thing is कि जब child का face होता है तो because face has a nature of growing over the number of years, face gets elongated. But you can read a children's face. आपको basic parameters पता चल जाएंगे, right? जैसे आपने maybe so metal element का मैं example देता हूँ. तो अगर आपको metal element in your child spot करना है तो what are the features that you'll see? First of all, metal का quality क्या होता है? Metal is like a sword, right? Or metal is like a jewelry, it's like a diamond. So metal has a dual nature into it. By the word of it, metal is sword, as I said, it is shiny, it is precise. जो भी metal element possess करता है, we all have these 5 elements, but it's 1 or 2 that are emphasized the most in our life, right? So if a person has strong metal element into their life, तो आप उनको फील करेंगे कि वो बहुत प्रिसाइज है या बहुत ज्यादा चूजी है, राइट? और उनको वैसा ही चाहिए जैसी चीज उनको पसंद है, बस वही पसंद है. द एरिया ऑफ कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग इज अ लिटिल लेस. सो मेटल एलिमेंट इज क्लासिफाइड एज in terms of energy, it is the old age, right? तो इसीलिए जब old age होती है for a person, they become more cranky because metal resonates with old age. तो metal जब it's a downward moving energy, it's a contraction phase, right? तो बंदा cranky हो जाता है और they strive for perfection, especially in leaders, in business leaders. You will see that they have a lot of metal into their personality. बिकॉज उनको डिसीजन मेकिंग करना पड़ता है, उनको प्रिसाइज रहना पड़ता है, उनको हार्ड रहना पड़ता है, एंड उनको राइट कॉल लेने पड़ते हैं. एंड दे हैव टू इवन इफ दे डोंट वांट टू, दे हैव टू डिसअपॉइंट सम ऑफ देम. इवन हार्ड डिसीजंस लाइक फायरिंग an individual from a company, this is a hard decision. This can only be taken by a person who is a leader like, right? तो आपको फॉर्म को आगे लेके जाना. तो मेटल इज एन आर्केटाइप ऑफ अ फादर. आप मेटल को फादर के उससे देख सकते हो, who decides the well-being of the entire family, right? So all the business decisions taken by your firm also, they are coming from a CEO, right? तो वो कैसे ड्राइव करना चाहते हैं, आप उनके साथ कैसा फील करते हैं. जैसे स्टीव जॉब्स का फेस इफ यू सी, उनका फेशियल फीचर्स आर वेरी अपार्ट, लाइक आई सेट आर वेरी अपार्ट. आई सेट का जो आईब्रो है दैट इज फार फ्रॉम हियर, सो देयर इज अ स्पेस. So metal features जब आपको फेस में देखने होते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू सी नोज, कि कितनी पावरफुल नोज है आपकी, राइट? तो आप एक चीज, वन ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट यू विल ऑब्जर्व इन मोस्ट ऑफ द लीडर्स, इवन आपके क्रिकेट के लीडर्स हो गए, जो भी सक्सेसफुल लीडर्स होंगे, बिजनेस लीडर्स हो गए, बिल गेट्स हो गया, स्टीव जॉब्स हो गया, उनका नोज लेंथ अगर आप देखोगे तो इट्स प्रिटी बिग. इट्स लाइक वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पावरफुल फीचर्स ऑन द फेस. आप फेस रीडिंग में देयर इज वन थिंग कि आप प्रोमिनेंट फीचर्स को रीड करते हो. तो nose is something that defines how much power you want to possess, how much control you want to exercise in areas that you're working in, right? So ye leaders, because they give direction, they want to also emphasize control and power over what they are working towards, right? So metal में सबसे पहले you see the nose, how powerful it is. You then see कि आपके facial features कितने separate हैं. Like eyebrows
Yeah.
में ज़्यादा gap है या distanced है. If they are distanced, if there is more distance between those features, then you will be able to understand कि इनके पास metal बहुत है. And when there is metal, it means आप precise rahoge, aap sharp rahoge, but in relationship it can be a little challenge, right? When a person has a metal element, which means, as I mentioned, metal can be shiny, can be precise, but at the same point in time, it can be very cranky and choosy. And
Yeah.
when it comes to relationship, wahan pe this acts as a barrier. And isme there is a solution as to what you can do. You can join their forces with people who have strong earth element, right? अब earth element क्या है? Earth is an archetype of a mother. अब mother को आप feel करते हो तो what do you think? You think of a supportive, caring mother. You think of a supporting, loving mother. And similarly, जब आप metal person को earth person के साथ combine करते हो तो earth person can take it that extra shock, can absorb things better around people, can lay in that sense of care and love to that strong metallic person, right? So there are certain set of things, and earth people go for making the best in the relationships, even if you combine them with wood people who can be a little stubborn and ambitious at times. Earth people are the most soft people in the entire elemental chain, and each one of us have earth. And so how you can gauge earth? You can gauge earth once you look more plain features on the face, like fleshy features, जैसे आपका है. So you have more earth features on your face, like fleshy padding. These are plain features that are known as the fertile features of the face. And जब आपका fleshy paddings होता है on your face, it reflects कि being emotional can be your strength, being creative can be your strength, understanding people can be your strength. इसमें मतलब आप you know, there is that emphasis of care in your approach, right? There is that element of
Yeah.
people centric in your approach. So whenever
Yeah.
a person has that earth feature into their personality, that adds that softness of cushion, right? And similarly, अगर आप
Correct.
ये देखोगे कि अभी there is the US elections that are going on. Kamala Harris and Donald Trump both have different set of elements on their faces. And
Yeah.
Kamala Harris का आप देखोगे तो उनका eyebrows are thinning from the
Yeah.
middle. So and her eyes are more open and shiny, right? तो जब भी eyes बहुत shiny हो and eyebrow are thinning and all the other features are pointed, that indicates a sense of fire energy into her personality, which means कि उनका जो people connection होगा ना, that is quite good. It's like it touches to the heart. And उनका Shen होता है. Shen is the other aspect of face reading जहाँ पे आप एक बंदे का light of the eye को gauge करते हो. Light of the eye
जी.
आप ऐसा समझ सकते हो कि एक flame है जो जल रहा है, right? And it's the लाइट जो आपके करंट इमोशंस को बताती है. When as a face
जी.
reader आपको शेन देखना पड़ता है in Chinese face reading. शेन is nothing but light of the eyes. आपकी आंखों की जो light है, how it is. And when you see Kamala Harris's light of the eye, it's very bright. तो जब भी
Yeah.
bright eyes होती है, that means the flame is pretty active, right? And
Correct.
similarly, if you see Donald Trump goes with the facial features where unka eyebrow hairs are pretty thick, and his chin is a little, I would say, on the dullest side or on the dead side, which means जो उनका integrity component है, that can be a little compromised, right? But there are other features that makes up on his face. उनका nose strength is pretty good. उनका water element is good, which induces in him a lot of courage. So he wants to be a winner because उनका wood element बहुत strong है. So there are certain set of features that you compare, but each element is born with a set of gifts जो कि आप face reading में देख सकते हो.
By face reading we can predict a lot of things and the elements. इसके 5 एलिमेंट्स वगैरह बता के देने के लिए थैंक यू। ज्योतिष संबंधित अधिक जानकारी के लिए ABC हिंदी ज्योतिष सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।